When a car is overheating and the heater isn't working, there are several possible reasons for this issue. The causes include a low coolant level, a faulty thermostat, or leaks in the system. To fix the problem, start by checking the coolant levels, as a low level can cause overheating and heater issues. Inspect the coolant level and refill the system with fresh coolant if necessary, ensuring the correct type is used. If this doesn't resolve the issue, the thermostat may be the culprit. A damaged or stuck thermostat can lead to overheating and a non-functional heater. A thermostat stuck in the closed position prevents coolant flow, resulting in overheating. In this case, removing the damaged thermostat and installing a new one may fix the problem. If the issue persists, inspect the system for leaks, looking for visible signs of leakage in the radiator, hoses, and connections. Any leaks found should be repaired. By following these steps, it's possible to fix the issue of a car overheating and a malfunctioning heater.